Hello guys, and welcome to Instant Nerd. In this video, I will be showing you how to fix Rockstar Games Launcher Failed to Initialize on Steam. Okay, so let's get started. So, if you have encountered this error, that means when you open Steam and you go to library, and you find the Rockstar Games Launcher, it doesn't have an icon. So, how do you fix this? What you want to do is, you want to delete unnecessary Rockstar Games Launcher files. So you can go to the folder where the Rockstar Games Launcher is located. And the other way is you want to add the Rockstar Games Launcher by clicking on Add a Game, which can be found at the bottom left of the Steam app right here. So after clicking that, this window would appear. So let's say this is Rockstar Games Launcher. You want to select the checkbox and then you want to click on Add Selected Programs. So after you have added the launcher, what you want to do is you want to select the Rockstar Games Launcher and then you want to click on this button, but it shouldn't say install. It should be green and it should say play. So you just want to click that and then that should fix the error. So if you found this video helpful, please leave a like and subscribe.